Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this single needle 0 to 200 PSI air pressure gauge with the compressor switch for your Bulldog Winch onboard air tank. Now this is a single needle in-cab gauge that lets you monitor the pressure in your onboard air tank. I want to zoom in so you can see a close-up. There's your bright orange needle and you can see the gauge. It goes all the way up to 200 PSI. This is an analog mechanical gauge, and this is lighted for viewing at night. So when you do hook this up, it'll give you a light around the perimeter of this gauge so you'll be able to read it at night. The gauge itself is a nice zinc plated steel. It's durable and corrosion resistant. On the back you can see there's your brass airline right there, and then you can see all the wiring connections are tagged to where they connect to. The rocker switch right up here on the front. This will let you turn on or off the onboard 12-volt Bulldog Winch compressor. And what's nice is the on and off positions will light up with LEDs, and again makes it easy to see at night what position your switch is in. Now this does meet the IP68 specifications for water and dust resistance. It does come with a connection kit which includes a 12-foot long nylon airline, a set of 5-piece brass connection fittings. Also, if you notice, the gauge is mounted in a nice steel L-shaped mounting bracket. Comes with the mounting hardware for installation, and this will easily install under your dash. The finish on the mounting bracket is a nice textured black powder coat steel finish, and it is corrosion resistant. Measurement or the dimensions on just the mounting bracket: the width is right at 4 inches. Total depth is right about 1 3/4 inches deep. A few specs on this. The pressure gauge, the maximum air pressure we mentioned, is 200 PSI. The dimension on the gauge itself is 2-inch diameter. Total depth to the very back is about 3 inches. The compressor switch right over here, power draw net, is 20 amps at 12 volts DC. But that should do it for the review on the single needle 0 to 200 PSI air pressure gauge with the compressor switch for your Bulldog Winch onboard air tank.